there was acne all over and the dark spots were like intense. Now my skin started burning, and if you have noticed, like once if you get something burned, how the skin becomes very plastic like cover will be there on the skin, right? Something like that my skin became. So I just hated this product. I never ever like wanted to use this again. Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. So this is a product review, and the product is Biotix spot correcting face mask. So let's dive into the video and check out the details of this product. So guys, do watch this video till last, because at the end I'll be telling you details about my giveaway. So please watch till end. So let's move on to our review. So guys, before starting with this product's review, I'll just inform you that I have used this product, and for past 1 month I have used this, and every week I have recorded a video for the results, so I'll be sharing that results also. So guys, it comes in a plastic tub, something like this, and its quantity is 20 grams. There's a safety lid over here when you open this. Then on the product you can see all the details and how to use this, everything. This costed me around 125 rupees, but the actual price is 199 rupees. I brought in a sale in Nykaa, so I got it for 125 rupees. So moving on, the ingredients are all the natural ingredients which they say. Also they said this is not a beauty product, this is actually Ayurvedic remedy or Ayurvedic medicine. So we have to treat it like a medicine actually. Why I say this, because I actually face issue with this. Initially I just took out and I just used it on my face, so it become worse. There was acne all over and the dark spots were like intense. Now my skin started burning, and if you have noticed, like once if you get something burned, how the skin becomes very plastic like cover will be there on the skin, right? Something like that my skin became. So I just hated this product. I never ever like wanted to use this again. But then the whole quantity was so much, and I was like, why isn't this working? Because I read all the reviews on the Nykaa, and I can see that this product was like doing very good there. But then why it is not working on my face then? So then I actually found how to actually use this, and then it did miracles. So I'll be sharing that also. So moving on, this is a face pack. How to apply this I'll show you, and how many times you have to apply this. You have to apply this twice a day, that is morning and then evening. So this is a quarantine period, so you can actually spare time for this. So this was about this product. Then moving on, how actually it works. So this is very slow. So today you are applying and tomorrow the acne will be gone. If you expect that, please say no to this and go away. Then if you actually want your scars to be gone and acne to be gone, and you have to wait, I waited around 1 month for that results. So yes, you have to wait. So this is a very slow process. Treat this as a medicine. This is not a beauty product at all. So doing magic like that is not going to happen. So how to use that? Actually this product is empty now, but still I'll just take out some and just show you how actually this is. So this is a thick paste like consistency. Please do not apply this on your face with the same consistency which the bottle has. So you have to dilute this, and then only you have to apply this. This is the key of this pack. So once you apply this directly on your face, all the worst thing that I faced, you will be facing. So I'm warning you, please don't apply this as it is from the bottle. Take out, and or you can mix toner with this. And what I did was I sprayed few pumps of toner on this product and I just mixed it there itself, and on the particular area I applied this. So this is the second warning. Please apply this product only on the targeted areas. Don't apply this on your whole face, then your face will be burnt, and yes, you are going to lose your skin. Apply this a tiny bit of this only on the targeted areas. If you have acne, apply it on the acne. If you have dark spots, apply on the dark spots alone. So don't apply like, okay, I am going to get acne or my skin will be brightened with this. No, not. So already the existing skin will also be lost then. So apply it only on the targeted areas. Don't apply a thick paste, apply a diluted, very diluted consistency of this pack to your face. Also guys, if you are using this on your acne, the next warning which I'm going to give you is, this is not like going to shrink your acne and then going to make it poof or make it magically invisible. That is not going to happen. So if you're using this on your acne, be aware that it will just make it more enlarged, and then it will burst it, and then the next day it will just shrink it. There will be a mark of that acne, and then that mark will be gone. So this is the process for acne. So if you are ready for that, then you can use it on acne. So yes, but then I just realized that it is actually good. So if you use other product that actually shrinks it, the actual dirt always be there itself, and again there is a chance of getting acne on the same place or the place around that. But this product actually bursts that. The impurities are coming out, and then it gets shrink, and then it is removed. So actually I liked how it worked on the acne part also. So everyone should try this. So here I have taken the small amount of this pack, so you can see how less this is, and then I am going to spray this toner onto this. So 2 pump was enough. So once I mix this, you can see how light the consistency is. This is the actual consistency you have to apply onto your face. So I'll just apply and show. So this is the consistency you have to apply. So yes, that's it about applying and things. So on the whole, let me tell you, so this was the actual thing. I'll also share the videos or the pictures of mine after using this. So I'll just rate it now, and we'll finish this off because I don't want to drag it now, because all the warnings I have already given you. So does this actually work? Yes, it actually works. It removes your dark spot, it removes the acne, but it will take a lot of time. If you have patience, please try this. So on the other hand, does it improve your skin texture? It smoothens your skin? No, it will not do anything like that. It just corrects spots. So don't try this for getting a smooth skin. No, it will not do that. Hi guys, so today is the day 1 of me applying this Biotech mask. So yeah, I'll be applying on the dark spots. Here. On the whole, I like this product, and only with the warning which I gave you, keep that in your mind and then use this. It will surely work for you. For me, it took around 1 month, yes, 4 weeks to get a good result. And then the as you can see, the product is now empty. So yeah, it's almost 4 weeks now, and I'm happy with the product. If you have patience, do try this. So guys, regarding the giveaway which I talked earlier, is I am going to do a giveaway, and the giveaway products are the Plum products. And if you want to know the details, please check out my Instagram post. So my Instagram details are in description box. Do follow me, and do follow the rules for giveaway to grab the opportunity. So I hope you all will participate in this and make my giveaway a huge success. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.